Hey, my name is Marcel from ItnetX. We are a system integrator located back in Switzerland, and we work together with HPE on everything Microsoft Azure Stack. And when it comes to Azure Stack, we actually want to make sure that you as a customer can have a very successful Azure Stack implementation. And for that, we offer a 3-step workshop series that actually guide you through this whole process. So we start with an awareness workshop that actually gives you an overview of what Azure Stack is. We continue with a readiness workshop where we cover things like capacity management, monitoring, or updates management of your Azure Stack infrastructure to really make sure that you are prepared to order Azure Stack. And then at the last step, we have the foundation workshop that really is here to help you guys to integrate delivered Azure Stack appliance into your data center. Really attach it to the network and then to really benefit from the platform to deliver services from Azure Stack. Get in contact with us if you want to know more. We're happy to help you out.